when the COVID crisis hit back in March was the severe shortage of personal protective equipment. And so one of the things we wanted to do, as a lot of other people, is to try to figure out how we can help. I got together with Rick here at the Fab Lab. One of the things we came up with was face shields, which are a relatively simple thing to make, but we just didn't have the supplies in the United States.
Me and a couple other technicians and a couple students got together remotely to design and come up with a plan to produce these face shields completely in-house. We could prototype them here at the Fab Lab and make them and give them to doctors and nurses and other healthcare providers in the area in desperate need of them. So we made a batch of 500 in about a week, donated them all to Highland Hospital. Since then, we shifted gears and designed a face shield that could be injection molded, which is the process of melting plastic and injecting it into a mold, and it is how pretty much all the plastic parts you own are made. To get there, we had to use our 3D printers and our design software to come up with a model that would work for injection molding. We went through about 7 iterations. I had to come in here late at night to run 3D prints and then come in the morning and change the prints out to tweak it. And now, because they're produced locally up in Santa Rosa with our injection molding partner, we can make pretty much as many as we want extremely fast, much faster than waiting for a turnaround from an overseas manufacturer.
Once the mold's made, it's easy to start producing 10 or 15,000 of these a week. Where with 3D printers, you might be able to make a few dozen a week.
The Laney Fab Lab is the campus makerspace and innovation hub. Students from all the different departments can get their hands dirty learning how to make things using digital fabrication tools, software access to design and make pretty much almost anything you want. We're open to all students, all staff and faculty here as well, completely free of charge.
One of the ways we were able to create this product quickly was because of the Fab Lab. Even though this is being done now outside, without the tools here in the Fab Lab and the people, we wouldn't have been able to rapidly prototype. It really was both the community we had around the Fab Lab, but also the space itself that made this possible.